Hey guys, I'm back. Um, Once again, this is part 3, and yeah, this um, this noise that I will hear when I pick up this note always freaking creeps me out. Turn this light off. I know there's no monster, but still.
16th of May, 1839. The unflinching African sun has continued to plague
Might
our
as well
expedition,
let it play through.
making it impossible to dig until dusk. How Professor Herbert managed to find the location in these vast plains of nothingness remains a mystery to me. When I asked him about the tomb again, he told me about the legend of Tin Hanan, the mother of us all. An interesting story in its own right, but I can't help feeling there's more.
There is.
Later that evening, we uncovered a passage beneath the dunes leading to a sand-covered stone
I know when I
structure.
watch videos, if the
Professor was
person lets
confident
the
it was the
thing
tomb
go
we saw,
through, I just
and ordered
skip
the
it.
others to clear the
So
way
I think I'll
late
skip
into
it.
the dark, cold tomorrow.
Usually there's a monster noise. Why didn't it play it? Is every playthrough different? I don't know. It usually plays that noise. Slight headache. Doing good. And Stefano is here. Come on. Let's go. I need to put him down so he can get further. Get some more. There we go. Come on, Stefano. You don't need to be that close to me. Man, I don't like the noises in this place. Jesus. I said I don't, look, it's 2 o'clock in the morning. Noises are bound to scare me. I freaking hate these noises. I despise them. I go, like I can't even do it. Stupid. Chair. I know that there's no monster. I do. I've already proven the fact that there is no monster. Still gets so stinking annoying with this. Oh my word, it's so stupid. Okay. That. I freaking hate that. Oh my word. Stinking hate it. My headphones aren't even that loud. Makes it to where I don't want to talk. So I can listen. This is stupid. Like, utterly stupid. Okay, okay, calm down, Charlie, calm down. Sorry for the screen annotation. Yeah.
17th of May, 18 today, I took
You
some
can pause
men
it
of the
if you
crew.
want
I was
to.
trapped.
If you even had time. Slight headache. I'd rather listen to this music. But of course it doesn't play that long. Why is that partially opened? Why am I whispering? Oh, I'd never go in there. Oh my gosh. This is not the time to be playing this. Oh my gosh. Dude. Oh, my word. Man. 2 o'clock in the morning. 2:30 actually. Ain't that I'm gonna be playing this. Go. Shut up. Oh my gosh. I hate these sounds. I don't even know how many times I've said that. That was a freaking big bottle of oil. Should have said big. Alright, there's gonna be a flashback in here. I'm gonna get this tinderbox right here. Then I'll go do the flashback. Stop wasting your oil, Char-Leigh. What the Dude. Oh my word, my heater just turned on. It scared me. Slight headache. I'm sorry I'm not talking much in this video. This would be my third video in one night. Oh my word, I wasn't ready for that.
Much of the castle is old and hasn't been tended to for centuries. When the shadow arrives,
this is my third
it won't take
video
long
in
until
one
things
night.
start falling apart.
And
We're just buying
I
time
usually
anyway.
stay up until like
Let's
4
do what
o'clock.
we can.
There isn't much to be done about
I'll
the
talk
wars.
once this is over.
We should reinforce weak structures. The ground will tremble, and there's a risk everything will cave in on us, especially
Yeah, it'll cave in.
downstairs. Here, and there. Let's get the servants working on it.
I don't do the whole scary thing. I probably won't become very popular at all because I'm not very scared at the moment. Maybe on my more. I don't know. Oh man, we've been going for about 8 minutes now. Get this tinderbox before I go into this flashback. Once this flashback is over, I'm gonna stop the video. And yeah. In order to get this flashback, I think, because the first time I played this, I did not get this flashback. Because I did not get all of these notes.
For what seemed like an eternity, I realized it was hopeless.
If you do not get all of these, you will,
I fell to the ground.
you won't see this flashback. It'll just read.
That's when I saw
It'll
a
just read it.
blue shimmer. My weakened body was heavy to carry.
I gotta hurry up because I'm
Pushed
running out of
myself
time.
toward the enchanting light. It was waiting for me. Enclosed in dark nothingness, I felt myself drawn to the mystic light. I reached out,
Closing it to my hands.
The faint glow escaped
All
my
right.
fingers and began to
Come on.
spark brightly and spirit me away, unlocking alien memories
Come
of
on.
spiraling towers, endless
I only got
deserts, and
a little bit left.
impossible geometry. The next thing I can remember is the grating sound
Come
of
on.
stone
I ain't got that much
being
time
lifted.
left.
The voices of the Arabs
As soon as
pulled me
this
to
is
safety.
over, I have to stop the video.
Grasped
I'm
firmly
sorry,
in
but
my hands
10-minute
was the
limit.
broken pieces of
So-
a most peculiar relic.
So, I'll see you bros later. Bye-bye.